In today's video, I will demonstrate NEPI's sequencer application for creating custom image streams that include camera feeds from multiple sources. This is valuable for AI-based detection applications that need to monitor multiple camera streams at once. For this demonstration, I will be using an embedded GPU processor box with the NEPI engine software installed and two connected NEPI IDX driver-supported USB cameras. I have also loaded a YOLO and YOLO Tiny Common Object Detector AI model onto the NEPI device's onboard AI model library that will be used to demonstrate AI object detection on our own custom image sequence stream. After powering up your NEPI device and connecting to the NEPI device's RUI dashboard, select the Applications and Sequencers tab. At the bottom of the Sequences pane, click on the New button. This will bring up a new box named Sequence Settings, where you can enter a name for your new image sequence as well as specify the image size for the new sequence. I will name this sequence Test Sequence and enter an image size of 416 by 416 pixels, which is the image size our AI model scales images to before processing. Next, add the images you want to your sequence using the Add drop-down box at the bottom of the Input Images pane. Finally, click the Apply Changes button at the bottom of the Sequences pane to create your new sequence. You should now see your new image sequence stream in the Image View pane on the left side of the screen. Now we can test using our sequence by connecting to an AI model using NEPI's built-in AI application. After opening the NEPI AI application tab and starting an AI model with our new test sequence image stream selected, you can see the processed out from the AI detector switching between the two image streams we set up. The detection data messages produced by the AI application include information for the specific camera that produced a detection, making it easy for downstream consumers like automation script or control systems to know exactly what camera produced a detection. Hopefully, this gives you a good overview of NEPI's built-in sequencer application. Check out the other videos in this series covering NEPI's AI image viewer, automation, and Connect applications.